देखिए, ऐसा है कि इस गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारी बड़े बड़े रिफॉर्म्स ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। तो जितने रिफॉर्म्स किए हैं, जैसे कि बैंक्रप्सी लॉ, 1.5 साल में बैंक्रप्सी लॉ पास करवाए हैं, वो बहुत तेज़ी से ही किए हैं। एक लॉ तैयार करके उसको पास करवाना 1.5 साल में कोई आसानी की काम नहीं है, आसान काम नहीं है। तो इसलिए जितना रिफॉर्म्स अभी तक आया है वो तेज से ही आ रही है। ऐसा नहीं है कि गवर्नमेंट बहुत देर लगाई है। तो हमको लगता है जो पेस ऑफ रिफॉर्म्स वो लिए हैं वैसा ही चलता ही रहेगा। वी फील दैट इन केस ऑफ अ वेवर there is always a fall in credit discipline because the people who get the waiver, they have expectations of future waivers as well. As such, future loans given often remain unpaid, and therefore it is important for us to take, when we are trying to ensure that the farmers do well, it is important for us to be able to make credit available to them so that they can leverage and do better. And for that it is important to have a credit list. The government is proceeding in a very focused manner on the digitization piece. Today the effort to put in Bharat QR or the Aadhaar enabled payment services is going on in the same manner and with the same focus that was happening during the demonetization. So there is no let up over there. Obviously there are issues still in the infrastructure, so those issues are also getting looked at. The idea is that if we proceed in the same manner and if we keep working at it, then in the next 6 to 8 months we will have a payment system that will be seamless, that will give you the convenience, and that will have the security to enable everybody to use them in a very simple manner.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.